In today's video, we are going to make an orange cheesecake. Cut an orange into very thin slices and cut each slice in half. Arrange them onto an 11-inch by 11-inch baking pan in the pattern shown. The ingredients you need are milk, oil, eggs, cornstarch, sugar, and gluten-free flour. Separate the egg yolks and egg whites. Submerge the egg yolks in the milk and the oil. Start beating the egg whites on low speed. Add in half of the sugar when they start turning white. Continue beating on high speed. When lines begin to form on the surface, add in half of the remaining sugar. At soft peaks, add in the remaining sugar and the cornstarch. Beat on medium speed to medium peaks. Mix the egg yolks, milk, and oil. Add in the flour. Mix until it looks like this. Mix some of the egg whites into the egg yolks. Mix that back into the remaining egg whites. Slowly pour it onto the orange slices and spread it evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Pour the remaining batter in a round cake mold. The diameter of my mold is 7 inches. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Place an orange in a blender and blend on low speed for 10 seconds. The ingredients you need are orange juice, ground orange, and gelatin sheet. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 minutes. Mix the orange juice and the ground orange. Microwave for 1 minute and mix in the soaked gelatin. Cool for 20 minutes. Pour into a cake mold and freeze for 1 hour. My mold is 5 inches in diameter and 2 inches in height. Cut the rectangular cake into 2 cake strips. Line the side of another cake mold with cake strips. My mold is 7 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. Cut the round cake so it fits in the bottom of the mold and push it to the bottom. The ingredients you need for the cheesecake mixture are cream cheese, lemon juice, plain yogurt, gelatin sheet, whipped cream, orange juice, and vanilla extract. Mix the cream cheese with the vanilla extract, plain yogurt, and lemon juice. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream to soft peaks. Mix it with the cream cheese mixture. Microwave the gelatin for 20 seconds to melt it and mix in some cheesecake mixture. Mix that back into the remaining cheesecake mixture. Mix in the orange juice. Pour a thin layer into the bottom of the cake mold. Freeze for 20 minutes. Remove the small cake from the mold. Place it upside down in the center of the large cake. Remove the bottom of the small cake mold. Fill the large mold with cheesecake mixture. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. The ingredients you need are gelatin sheet and orange juice. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 minutes. Microwave the orange juice for 30 seconds and mix in the soaked gelatin. Cool completely and pour it onto the cake. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Remove the cake from the mold. Beat half a cup of whipped cream and 1 teaspoon of green tea powder to stiff peaks. Pipe it onto the top of the cake using a large round piping tip.